Yo, what's good everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video. Today's video is an exciting video. It's going to be an install video and we are going to be installing a front lip onto the car. But before we even get into that, so many things have happened this week. Some of you guys who follow me on Instagram will know what I'm talking about. Now, the second thing is we also installed Whiteline camber bolts up in the front. I got them for completely free. I needed to camber in the fronts to run the setup that I'm running right now with the Teen Street Basis coilovers max low with the 18 by 9.5 plus 45 wheels. So I needed camber and somebody hit me up and gave me this camber bolts for free. Shout out to you if you're watching this video. Now moving on from that, we're gonna go ahead and throw a front lip on the car. So I was planning on making multiple videos, but I thought it would be a better idea to make everything into one video. So today's video is kind of gonna be all over the place, but I'm gonna try my best to make it entertaining for you guys. So let's go ahead, let's go to the beginning of the week where we went and installed the wheels and also installed the camber bolts. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe down below. We're so close to that 1,000 subscriber goal and I'm sure we'll get there really soon with your help. So make sure you subscribe down below. Now let's get into the wheels and the camber bolts. Okay, so right over here is the camber bolt. It is used and I did get it for completely free. So right here is where the camber bolt is. Here's the washer and there should be a nut right over here. So this is what we're gonna be putting in instead of the other OEM one. Okay, so right over here is the stock one and then right over here is the camber bolt. As you can see, there is this washer right here and there's a rivet, and on this one there isn't, so this is what's gonna add you camber. So we're working with this bolt right here and this bolt right here. I'm probably gonna switch out the bottom one for the camber bolt just because I've heard that this gives you a bit more camber and that's really what I'm trying to go for. So we're gonna go ahead, take this off. I think this is a 19. Take this off and then put the camber bolt on over here and adjust it. So after multiple attempts, I realized that the camber bolt actually does not fit on the bottom. It only fits on the top. So that's why people put it on the top. I have seen people put it on the bottom, but that requires drilling and modification. So I'm just gonna stick with doing the top and see if I can get pretty much 1.5 or 1 degree of camber. Okay, so here's pretty much how it looks finished product. This screw right here, this bolt right here is longer than the OEM one down there. It doesn't really mean anything, but this is how it looks, and then we're gonna throw the wheels on and see how it turns out. Now, I'm pretty sure you can see that it is cambered in now. The back has a bunch of natural camber, and then right over here, you can see that we are running some camber. Now, it's the same thing with the other side. Obviously, right here, we're missing a front lip, but that's gonna change really soon. Now, as you guys just saw, we installed the wheels, we installed the camber bolts. I did a quick time lapse just so it's easier for you guys. Kind of went ahead and very briefly showed you guys what I was doing and how it's done. If you guys want a more detailed video on how to install camber bolts, I will have it linked in the description below. Go ahead and check out that video. I used that video as well. And honestly, I gotta say, it probably took me less than an hour to do. It was really easy install, and again, I was by myself for majority of it, so if I can do it, you guys can probably do it. It's really simple. Now, I didn't get that -5 camber look. I didn't get that -20 camber look. I'm only realistically running like -1 or -2 camber. It's very small, and I only noticed it because I'm comparing it to last year's setup. Last year's setup poked out a lot, and this year's setup tucks in a little bit, so I can tell that there is camber there. Moving on from that, here's what you guys were here for, the front lip install. We're gonna go ahead, we're gonna dive straight into the installation of the front lip install. It's very simple. It's literally just 10 screws mounting it up, and then after we show you guys the install, I'll go ahead and throw up a couple of clips of how the front lip looks. So that is the front lip install. It is very, very easy to do. You literally just got to drill 10 screws or whatever amount of screws you think is necessary into the bumper. It does require drilling into your bumper, and that is the one negative part, but that's pretty much majority of the lips nowadays required to do that. So I put in 10 screws just to be safe. I'm really hoping that this front lip does not break off. It isn't the material that flexes once you hit it. It's the material that will completely crack if I hit it. So yeah, let me know in the comment section below. Did you guys like the last year's lip that I ran? And I'll have a picture on the screen right now. Or do you guys like the lip that I'm running currently? Let's go ahead, hop into the clips, and let me show you guys how it actually looks. Now that's how the lip looks. Again, as I said earlier, I really like how it looks. It matches the lip kit perfectly. The only thing that we're missing out to complete the lip kit would be a diffuser. I really need a diffuser. So that front lip, you can easily find it on eBay. I'll have it linked in the description below. Personally, for me, I went ahead, I picked it up from a shop called Racing Bees. If you are in my area and watching this video, there is a shop called Racing Bees. They carry a ton of lips, side skirts. If you are looking to get some aero for your car, go ahead and check out Racing Bees. I'll have their website linked in the description below as well. So many things have happened, and I was planning on dropping 3 different videos. One of me putting the wheels on, one of me putting the camber bolts on, and one of me putting the splitter on. But then I realized that just wouldn't be entertaining, so I went ahead and put all of it into one video. So if you guys really did enjoy today's video, go ahead and drop a like on this video because that would help out a ton. And with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.